Hey guys, what's up? It's Rich here, and this is part 2 of Bike Ride with Rich. Yeah, so my bike. Now I'm gonna go through this down the woods. I don't know what the fuck down there is. Hope it's nothing scary and shit. He's my brother. Say hi. And yeah, so he's coming with us too. So why is that wire on the floor? So here we begin. Shit. Damn, I gotta bend down. Oh. Shit. This looks scary. I don't know what the fuck is down here, but so went down there here. I don't really want to go down there more. Just keep riding. Damn. And when you start walking here, hope you guys are enjoying this video. Damn. My brother over there is struggling to get up here and shit. Oh. Freaking snake pop out. Guys, if I fall or something, you guys better not laugh. Go down this hill. I'm gonna be making a part 3. So let's go down to. Oh shit. Okay, that was nice. Yeah. Hey guys, we're back. We started that. And me and my brother made it. So we're making a part 3. So this is Rich, and peace out.